Guys, I don't know what is wrong with me, but I am on the struggle bus today. Maybe it's just that it's Monday. I don't know, but like, cannot find motivation. Oh, I forgot to let the dog in. Come on. I forgot. I cannot find the motivation. This place is a total mess down here, and I feel like I cannot like function at all. Everything is a total mess. Let me show you. Okay. Yeah. So this area, like, I have candles to pour. Thank God that's getting hot. But like, someone ordered basically an entire 12 pack of candles of the 13 ounce. So I just like set it there and I never got around to it. So like, what is happening? Like, what is that? And then, hi buddy. Good thing you're here, my therapy dog. I have a mess. I have, the kitchen needs to be, dishes need to be washed. This is for me to go collect sage. Like, oh my God. All right, let's go get spaghetti and see if that helps, cause like, nothing's helping right now. Should have just eaten it cold. I like cold spaghetti. I don't know, I just feel beat down. It's the worst sound ever. You can't have this. This isn't for you. It's not for puppies. I have 32 orders to get out, which I'm grateful for. Don't get me wrong. But when you don't feel like you have the energy, it makes it rough. When you don't have people that work for you. I don't know. Okay, I have eaten and I'm popping a Frosty. Maybe this will pick me up. All right.